Hello dear students, now I am continuing the chapter 8 exercise 2.1 finding area by using integration. So 4 questions are completed and 5, 6, 7 are also completed by your homework. Now question 8, the area between x equals to y square, x equals to 4 is divided into two equal parts by the line x equals to a. Find the value of a. X equal to y square and y x equals to 4. Okay. So here solution x equals to y square. X equals to y square curve. Given curve is x equals to y square and x equals to 4 is divided. X equals to 4. Okay. Area between this curve and this line is divided into two equal parts where the line x equal to a. Find the value of a. X equals to a is a line. Means this is a curve, open curve, parabola, we know, and x equal to 4 is a line, and we have to draw first of all diagram. So questions 8, consider on the following diagram. Consider on the following diagram. Okay, so first of all we have to draw diagram. Y square equals to 4ax, that means just like this parabola. Okay, this is the parabola. X-axis and this is y-axis. This is origin. Okay, we have to draw x equals to y square. This is x square, x equals to y square. This parabola. Clear? And line x equals to 4. Suppose this is line x equals to 4. Suppose this is x equals to 4 line. Line x equals to 4. Okay. Now area between this curve and this line, that is this part total, is divided in two equal parts by this line. That means this line is in between. Suppose this is the line x equals to a. This line divides this total area in two equal parts. O, A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose. Clear? We have to draw first of all diagram very clearly because it is very, very important. So you can just write, consider on the following diagram. According to question, we can write according to question, x equal to a divides this area in equal parts. So area of OAFEO OAFEO, this part is equals to area of ABCDEF. ABCDEFA. Clear? This area ABCDEFA. This area and this area are equal according to questions. This line divides, so implies area of OAFE. Since parabola is symmetric about x-axis, that's why area of this total area can be found by 2 times of this area. By taking a strip. Similar, this area also, both are same, so this area also can be found by taking another vertical strip, PQ and P dash Q dash. Clear? So area of this part is equals to 2 times of from here to here for this part, or we can write 2 times of area, 2 times of area OFEO equals to 2 times of area FCDE. This implies to cancel area of this. What? Area of this part? Y dx formula. So y dx 0 to a, and from this a to 4 equals to a to 4 y dx. Here y means y equals to plus minus root x. So plus side, upper side, so plus value. So 0 to a root x dx equals to a to 4 root x dx. So implies x to the power 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 0 to a. Here also x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, limit a to 4. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2 constant out. Here a to the power 3 by 2 minus 0. So a to the power 3 by 2 equals to here 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus a to the power 3 by 2. Clear? So from this relation we can find the value of a. Okay. So value of a is what? A to the power 3 by 2, a to the power 3 by 2. So transfer the 2 times a to the power 3 by 2 equals to 4 to the power 3 by 2 means 2 square power 3 by 2 means what? 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. So 2 and 8. So a to the power 3 by 2 equals to 4. So a equals to 4 to the power 2 by 3. So this is value. This is the answer. Value of a. Okay. So first of all, you have to draw the diagram and identify what is the situation, how can you find required area, then put limit and formula, then you can get the well. Here, this area is divided by two parts by the line x equals to a. That's why we are writing like this. Okay. Now take question 9. 9 says what? Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y equal to x square and y equals to mod x. Y equal to mod x, modulus function. You know the graph of the modulus function? Simple modulus function, y equal to mod x. What is the shape of the graph of modulus function? Mod x. I think all of you are known very easily because modulus function's graph is just like V, English letter V. Okay, so here question 9, what? Area bounded by the parabola y equal to x square, y equal to mod x. Clear? Y equal to mod x and y equal to x square. So here, so first of all, consider the following diagram, just like that. Draw the diagram. Clear? This is y axis, this is x axis. Okay, x and this is y origin. Clear? Parabola y equal to x square means x square equals to positive value, that is upper part. Okay, this is parabola y equals to x square. Clear? And also we know that the modulus function, graph of modulus function means fx equals to mod x, y equals to, we know graph just like this. For positive value, mod x equal to x, so y equal to x. This for negative value, also positive, gives final value. So for negative side, graph is this. This is for y equals to plus x. This is for y equals to minus x. Clear? Clear? This is the graph of modulus function. Clear? So we can draw modulus function here also, just like this, and this. Clear? This is y equals to plus x and this is y equals to minus x. Okay. So area of the region bounded by this parabola and this modulus function. So our area is this part. Okay. Both parts are same. Both are same. So we have to find the value of this O. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. We are naming. This is record area and this is record area. Both are same. Both are same because parabola is symmetric about y-axis, both sides, and also y equal to x and y equal to minus x, symmetric about y-axis. So this part and this part are both are equal. So we have to find area, this total area. That means we can find single area and 2 times. Okay, now this is corner point. We have to find for closed area, if there are some corner points, you have to find coordinate of that point. Here, this 0, 0. Here y equal to x, y equal to x square. So y equals to x square and y equals to x. Solving these two means x square equals to x. X square equals to x. That is x square minus x equals to 0. That is x common, x minus 1 equals to 0. That is x equals to 1, 0 and 1. 0 for here, 1 for here. X equals to 1. If x equals to 1, then y equal to also 1. So 1, 1. This is 1. Clear? Now, consider the following diagram. This. According to questions, we have to find the area. We have to find the area OABCO of this plus ODEFO. This and this. And this is equals to, and this area is equals to two times of area of OABCO. OABCO. Since, you have to write, since both y equals to mod x and y equals to x square are, since both y equal to mod x and y equal to x square are symmetric about y-axis. Okay, this is the reason. Clear? So, the required area is equals to 2 times of area of this. This area can be find by taking vertical strip. This is x equals to 1, x equals to 0 here. Vertical strip, PQ. Y dx, not y dx. Here, for finding the value of y, we have to find y from upper curve, y from lower curve. So, y of upper curve minus y of lower curve dx. That is 2y of upper curve means y equal to x. So x, y equals to x upper curve, and in lower curve y equal to x square minus x square dx, and limit from 0 to 1. So we have to solve this. To integrate it, x square by 2 minus x cube by 3, 0 to 1. Clear? So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 0, 0. So what? 6, 2 into 6, 3 minus 2. So equals to 2 into 1 by 6 equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. Clear? So just on this way, you have to draw a diagram first, and then according to questions, we have to find Clear? So this was the question 9. Answer is what? 1 by 3. Okay. Now take question 10. Find the area bounded by the curve. Find the area bounded by the curve x square equals to 4y and line x equals to 4y minus 2. X square equals to 4y and line, what is line? Line is x equals to 4y minus 2. Line is x equals to 4y minus 2. Okay, so here this is parabola and this is line. Area bounded by these two. We have to find. So first of all, main thing is consider as following diagram. Then required area is equals to this and this. This is y axis and this is x axis. Okay, you have to draw the frame now first. This is origin. Now x square equals to 4y. Upper parabola. Clear? This is x square to 4y. X square equals to 4y. Okay. Now the line. How can we draw the line x equals to 4y minus 2? We know in this plane, xy plane, we can draw a straight line by taking 2 points on the line and joining them. Here, when x equals to 0, x equals to 0, then 4y equals to 2. 4y equals to 2, y equals to 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. So, this is a point 0, 1 by 2 and another point when y equals to 0 then x equals to minus 2. When y equals to 0 then x equals to minus 2. These 2 points are on the straight line. So, here suppose x equals to minus 2, here minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 2, okay, this is minus 3 and so on, this is minus 2 and y equals to half. Half means this, maybe here, suppose here, half, y equals to half, y equals to 1, this is half and this is half, y equals to x equals to 0, y equals to half. Half is this, 1 by 2. Clear? Now, how can I draw the graph of line? This point to this point. That is just like this. This is the straight line. Passing through minus to 0 and here 0, half. Clear? So our bounded area is what? This part. This is the required area. Clear? This area can be found by using, because this area having corner point like this also, so we have to solve it first and then we can get the point O. Suppose O, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, okay, this is E. Clear? So the required area is equals to what? Area of OABCDO. OABCDO. OABCDO total area. Here we can find value of this in two ways. First of all, find the area of this part and then find the area of this part. Or we can direct find the area of this. How? Take vertical strip and from here to here we can take x equals to here. First of all, D and B point we have to find. So here our curves are x square equals to 4y and this and this. So here x square equals to 4y and here 4y equals to x plus 2. So we can write x plus 2. Means solving these two. This line x equals to 4y minus 2. This is line, this curve. Solving this two equation, put here from here 4y equals to x plus 2. So here in place of 4y we can put x plus 2. Now solve it. X square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. So by solving we can get what? Minus 2. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Here minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 2 plus x minus x. So x minus x can be taken common, x minus 2 plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So what? X minus 2 and x plus 1 equals to 0. That is x equals to 2 and minus 1. X equals to 2 and minus 1. So x equals to 2 and minus 1. Minus 1 means this is minus 1. Okay, this is minus 1. This is minus 1. Here, x minus 1 for this point. X minus 1 and x equals to 2. Here, x equals to 2. Value of x. This is minus 1 and here 2. By geometry, we are writing like this, intersection point, and value of y is not required, but we can find value of y by equation this. If x equals to 2 here, x equals to 4y minus 2. Here, if x equals to 2, if x equals to 2, here x equals to 2, then 2 to 4, y equals to 1, y equals to 1, y equals to 1. If x equals to 2, then 2 to 4, 4, y equals to 1. And if x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1, then x equals to minus 1, then minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, y equals to 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This is this. These are the intersection points. Okay. Now, for finding area of this part, we can direct do it by taking vertical strip. Strip slides from point D to B, we can suppose. So upper curve is line, lower curve is parabola. So this is equals to required area. Required area is equals to this. So here area of this part we can write integration of y from line minus y from parabola dx and limit d to b. D to B point D point to B point. So what? We can write like this. Limit D at D x equals to what? Minus 1. Minus 1. And B at x equals to 2. Y from line? Line, equation of line is this. Y from line? Y equals to x plus 2 by 4. Here, y equals to x plus 2 by 4. So, y from line? X plus 2 by 4 minus y from parabola y x square by 4 dx. Just we have to solve this definitely. Okay, this is equals to what? Integral minus 1 to 2 x by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus minus x square by 4, clear? Dx. We can write it 1 by 4 outside, minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 minus x square dx. That is equals to what? 1 by 4 integration x square by 2 plus 2x minus x cube by 3 and limit from minus 1 to 2. We have to put limit now. Clear? We have to put the limit. Just set formula and put the value and find the value of definite integral. This find the limit here. Okay. So we can get like this. What? This is equals to 1 by 4 x square by 2. In places of x we have to write 2. 2 square by first value. 2 square by 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 cube by 3. This first value minus second value minus 1. Minus 1 square by 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 1 power 3 by 3. This. Just solve it. We can get result 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 2 square by 2. 2. 4 by 2 means 2 plus 4 minus 2 cube 8 by 3 minus here minus 1 square 1 by 2 1 by 2 here minus 2 here minus 1 cube means minus plus 1 by 3. So this is the value. Now 1 by 4 here 3 means 6 plus 12 minus 8 upon 3 minus here half minus this. So we can write 6, 3 and 2 LCM 6, then 3 minus 12, the 1 6. So 3 6 6, 3 minus 12 plus 2. Now solve. Answer will be what? 1 by 4. Here 6 12, 6 and 12 18, 18 minus 8 10, 10 by 3 minus 2 3 5, 5 minus 12 7 minus 7 minus plus 7 by 6. Now solve it. 1 by 4 18, 3 and 6 no 3 6 means 3 1, 2, 6. So 3 and 6 means 6. And 3, 2, 20 plus 7. So 27 by 4 into 6. 9 by 8. This is the answer. Okay. So our answer is also 9 by 8. Clear? So after putting all the values in the formula, you have to solve definite integral. That will be the answer. This is the answer. Area between these two curves. Clear? Now our question is remaining questions 11. So we have to solve questions 11. Okay. So take question 11. What is question 11? Question 11 is find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x and line x equals to 3. Very simple. Very simple. You can do it. What? Y square equal to 4x and x equals to 3. Y square equals to 4x. Y square equals to 4x means right handed parabola. And x equals to 3 line between area. Very simple. What will be the diagram? This is y square equals to 4x. X dash, x, y, y dash. Clear? Frame this y square equal to 4x. This is the parabola. And x equals to 3 line. So take, suppose this is line x equals to 3. X equals to 3. Then this is our required area. Okay. So 0, A, B, C, D, E. So required area is what? Area OABCD EO. OABCDEO. This is equals to what? 2 times of area OCBEO. Since parabola is symmetric about x-axis. Symmetric about x-axis. Clear? Now 2 times of area of this part, we can take vertical straight PQ, that is y dx. Limit from O to C, x equal to 3, here x equal to 3, x equal to 0, 0 to 3. So 2 y dx, y from parabola. So here y equals to what? Plus minus 2 root x. So plus upper side. So 2 root x dx, 0 to 3. Now you have to solve it. 0 to 3, x power 1 by 2 dx, that is what? 4 x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 limit 0 to 3. So you can solve it. 2 comes to the numerator, so 8 by 3 8 by 3 and x to the power 3 in place of x 3 to the power 3 by 2 minus 0. So 8 by 3. Here we can write 3 power 3 by 2 means 1 power half. That is what? 8 by 3 into 3 power 1 by 2 means what? 8 root 3. 8 root 3. 3 cancel, 8 root 3. Okay, so answer is 8 root 3. 8 root 3. Clear? This is the answer. Okay. Now questions. Remaining two questions are 12 and 13. They are objective type questions. But you have to do it completely in your copy. Maybe these two questions are objective, but you have to do. Okay. Completely. Not only answer. Answer is also given in book. So, first of all, you have to do completely it. 12 questions. Area lying in first quadrant bounded by the circle. This x equal to 4 and the line x equal to 0, x equal to 2. Circle is x square plus y square equals to 4. This is given circle. And line x equal to 0, x equal to 2. Line x equal to 0, x equals to 2. So area between this we have to find. What will be the answer? So very simple. First of all, we can draw the diagram. This is what? Circle with center 0, 0 and radius 2. 4 means 2 square. So this is 0, 0. O is the center and radius 2. 2. So this, if this is y-axis, x-axis, then we have to draw circle with radius 2. That is 2 means 2, 0. This value is 2. 2. Clear? Now x equal to 0. We know y-axis. This line is x equals to 0. And x equals to 2. Here 2 x value x2. This line is x equals to 2. This line is x equals to 2. X equals to 2. So this line, and this circle in first quadrant, that is our portion is this. So we have to find area of this region. Area of this region. So take strip PQ. So area what? Area will be what? O, A, B, C. So area O, A, B, C, O. This area. Y dx from x equal to 0 to 2. So 0 to 2. Here 0 to 2. Y. Y means what? From upper curve. Here. Area under the curve. This is circle. This is circle. So here value of y equals to y square equals to 4 minus x square. Implies y equals to plus minus root 4 minus x square. Plus upper part. So you have to take plus sign. So root of 4 minus x square dx. Now we have to find value of this integral, root of 2a square. 2 square minus x square dx. Formula, root over this formula, root over a square minus x square dx equal to what? X by 2. Root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Since this is the formula, so we use in place of a, here is 2. So what? X by 2 root of 2 square 4 minus x square plus a square 2a square 4 by 2 sin inverse x by a means 2. In this you have to put limit 0 to 2. So solve it. When x equals to 2 here, so 4 minus 4 0, this is 0, plus 4 by 2 2 sin inverse 2 by 2 2 by 2, this first part, minus taking 0 in place of x we get 0, plus also for sin inverse 0 0. So this is equals to what? 2 sin inverse 1 means 2 pi by 2 means answer is pi. Pi in the option A. So A is the answer. This is the answer. Option A. Right. Okay. Similarly, question 13. 13 is what? Area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to 4x y axis and the line y equal to 3. What will be the diagram here for 13? Y square 4x, y axis, y equal to 3. This is y square equals to 4x and y axis, this is y axis, x equals to 0. This is y axis, y dash, and this is x axis, x dash, origin, y is equal to 4x line, and y axis is this, and y equals to 3, sorry, y equals to 3, y equals to 3. Okay, just like this, y equals to 3, and this is x equals to 0 means this line, y axis, this is curve, this is y equals to 3, y equals to 3 intersected in which y square equals to 4x, y equals to 3, 3 square equals to 4x, that is x equals to what? 9 by 4, x equals to 9 by 4, here x equals to 9 by 4, but it is not required for questions for this corner point. What? Here x equals to 9 by 4 and y equals to 3, but we require only y, so this part we have to find, because this line, this curve and this line, we have to find this. So this horizontal streak can be taken PQ. So formula will be what? Area O A B C O, O A B C O, A B C O. So this is equals to what? Formula x dy, x dy from 0 to 3. Here y equals to 0, y axis, this is y equals to 0, so what? Y equals to 0 to y equals to 3, 0 to 3, this is the answer. Y x from this curve. So this is equals to what? 0 to 3, x means here x equals to y square by 4, y square by 4 dy. Now we can solve it. 1 by 4 y square dy, y cube by 3, y cube by 3. So limit from 0 to 3. To solve 1 by 4 y cube means 3 cube. Here 3 also outside, and y cube means 3 cube minus 0 cube. This 1 by 12 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 4. So 9 by 4. Answer is 9 by 4 B. Okay, 9 by 4 B. This is the answer. Clear? So this was the questions 13 of exercise 8.1. So exercise 8.1 is completed. Okay. Now questions for your attendance. So there are only 3 questions you have to do completely in your copy and send me PDF file for your attendance. Okay. First question is find the area. First question is find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals to x square and line y equals to 4. Y equals to x square. These 3 questions you have to solve. First questions. Y equal to x square and y equal to 4. Y equals to x square means this. Y equals to x square parabola and line y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. So very simple. That is this part. Because parabola is symmetric about y axis. So these 2 parts are same. So for finding this area we can 2 times the area of this. Here we can use either x dy part, x dy formula by taking this type of strip. X equals to, from this curve here, x equals to what? Plus minus root y, plus root y is this. So x equals to root y dy 2 times gives the result. Or you can also take this strip. In this case, formula will be what? In this case, either any type. In this case, formula will be y from upper curve, because your lower part is on the curve. So y from upper part, y upper curve minus y lower curve, and dx from here to here. You have to find coordinate of these 2. Y equals to 4. Put here y equals to 4. Then here 2. If y equals to 4 here, then x equal to 4 means x equal to plus minus 2. So plus 2. Okay? Plus 2. And minus 2 is here. So plus 2. So 0 to 2. So 0 to 2. Upper curve y. Y from upper curve means 4 minus lower curve means this x square. 4 minus x square. This is, you have to solve. This will also give the answer. Okay? Now, this is the hint for first questions. Okay? Now, second question. Second question is, find the area of parabola y equal to 4x bounded by its lattice rectum. We know parabola. This is our standard parabola y square equals to 4ax. Clear? This is the parabola y equal to 4x and its lattice rectum. We know its lattice rectum is what? Its lattice rectum is x equals to what? Lattice rectum is what? If focus of this parabola is 0, then double ordinate passing through focus, this line, is known as lattice rectum. That is, here x equals to a, and we have to find this area. So we can find area of this part 2 times integration y dx 0 to a limit y equals to this 4ax. We can solve it. Simple. latus rectum. You know latus rectum passing through focus A0. Okay. For 2 root ax. 2 root ax. Clear? Now third question. Find the area of the region bounded by the line y equal to 3x plus 2. Here line y equal to 3x plus 2. For question third, hint. These 3 questions for your attendance. Okay. So question is what? Y equal to 3x plus 2. Y equals to 3x plus 2. This is a line, and another what? Given x-axis x equal to minus 1 plus 1. X-axis x equals to minus 1, x equals to plus 1. These are 4 things, and we have to find the area. So here, suppose diagram, we have to draw the diagram. Y equals to 3x plus 2. For drawing this, take 2 points on this line. First point, if x equals to 0, then y equals to 2. So 0, 2. X equals to 0, then y equals to 2. Okay. 1 point. Another point, if y equals to 0, if y equals to 0, then x equals to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Clear? X equals to minus 2 by 3. X equals to minus 2 by 3. That means, suppose this is x equals to minus 2 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. X equals to negative sign. And x equals to, and y equals to 2. Suppose here 0, 2. This is 0, 2. So we can draw diagram like this. This is the line. This line. Clear? X-axis, that means this line, total line. X equal to minus 1, minus 2 by 3. The minus 1 will be here on the left side. So suppose this is minus 1. This is x equal to minus 1. And x equals to 1 in here. So now, x-axis, this line, this line, this line. That means our region is this part, line, 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 x-axis. Also this part, complete part. This is the required region. So find area of this part. Suppose A1, this is A2. We can find first part area. This part area, take vertical strip, integration y dx. Y means what? From this line, y equals to. Okay? And from where? This is x equals to 1. This is minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 to 1. Y means what? 3x plus 2 dx. This is A1. Upper part. A1 is equals to, we have to take modulus sign because this area lie below the x-axis. So modulus of area also y dx. Y means what? Y means here curve is this. So 3x plus 2 dx. Limit will be minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. So you can get this result and you can get this result, the sum of A1 plus A2. That will be the answer. Okay, this is the third question. Hint. So you have to solve these 3 questions and send to me PDF file for your attendance. Okay.